Microsoft Lync provides an automated feature to help you quickly customize your voicemail greeting. After I'm signed into Lync, I click the phone icon and then click this button to display the voicemail options. Then I'll click Change Greetings. Lync calls the voicemail service for me and it walks me through it.
You have not recorded a personal greeting. To record your greeting, press 1. To cancel, press the star key. Please record your greeting after the tone. When you have finished recording, press the pound key.
This is Ken Cercio. At the tone, leave your name and number. I'll get back to you. This is Ken Cercio. At the tone, leave your name and number. I'll get back to you.
To accept, press 1. To re-record, press 2. To cancel and use the default Outlook voice access greeting, press the star key. To repeat this menu, press 0.
And that sounded okay, so I'll press 1. I can use either my desk phone or the Lync dial pad. I'll just use the dial pad.
Recording accepted. Main menu. To play and record your personal greeting, press 1.
Now that I've changed my greeting, I want to change one more thing, and that's how long my phone will ring before it's redirected to voicemail. I'll click the Call Forwarding button down here, then Call Forwarding Settings. By default, unanswered calls are forwarded to voicemail after 20 seconds. I want to change it to 10 seconds. Next, I also want these settings to only apply during my work hours. So in my case, I've set up my work hours in Outlook to be from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So these are the settings I want. I'll click OK here, and that's it. I'm done. Microsoft Lync makes it easy for me to check my voicemail and follow up on missed calls. Lync tracks my missed calls in the Conversations menu. A missed call is created when someone calls while I'm away and doesn't leave a voicemail. Lync displays information about the missed call, such as the number or person's name if they're listed in my company's address book. I can easily return a missed call by just hovering over the number and clicking the call button.
Hi, Ken.
Hey, Diane. So I saw that you called. Why didn't you leave a voicemail?
Because I knew you'd call me back. So how did everything go at the presentation yesterday?
Lync not only makes it clear who called me and when, it makes it easy to check my voicemail without even picking up my phone. For example, I just got back from an off-campus meeting and I want to know if anyone called while I was out. Okay, see that 1 there? That means there's a new voicemail waiting for me. I'll just click the phone button. The voicemail area displays the caller's name and the time of the missed call. I can click play and...
Hey Ken, this is Peter. I wanted to check in with you on the progress of this week's purchase order. Can you call me back when you have a second? Thanks.
Now if I want to return the call, I'll just hover over the voicemail message and click the call button. Lync automatically dials the number for me and connects the call.
This is Peter.
Hi Peter, this is Ken calling about the PO.
Hey Ken, thanks for getting back to me so quickly. Hey, about the purchase order.
Now one other thing I want to show you here is that Lync integrates with Outlook, so you can view all your missed calls and voicemails directly from Outlook. So everything I just showed you in Lync, you can also do in Outlook. Now this is especially helpful if you're away from your office and using Outlook web app, where your missed calls and voicemails show up right in your inbox. To view missed call information, I can open the Conversation History folder right in Outlook. Or I can click the Conversations button in Lync and then click this link down here. View more in Outlook. Outlook opens and displays all my missed calls and IMs. Of course, my voicemail messages come straight to my inbox. You see, with Lync, you're always connected.
Microsoft Lync helps you get your calls to the right place. Like when I'm working from home, I want to make sure I receive all my work calls. With Lync, I can set up call forwarding with just a few clicks. To get the most out of Lync, it's important to understand the difference between call forwarding and simultaneous ring. When I turn on call forwarding, all incoming calls are routed to the number I specify. So if I forward calls to my home number, my work phone doesn't ring. For me, call forwarding is a good choice when I'm working from home like today, or when I'm traveling for business. Simultaneous ring is a good choice for my everyday communications and makes it easy for others to reach me on my work phone or mobile phone, regardless of my location. When someone calls my work phone, another phone rings at the same time, and I can answer the call from either phone. See the difference? Now, before you turn on call forwarding or simultaneous ring, you need to make sure Lync knows your phone numbers. Click the Options button and click Phones. Your work number should already be in there, so just enter your mobile number and mark Include in my contact card so others in your work group can see it. I'll also add my home number, but I won't include that in my contact card. That way, my home number will be available for call forwarding but cannot be seen by callers. Now I'll set the work hours in Outlook option so I don't get work calls forwarded to my home in the middle of the night. I'll click the Call Forwarding button and then click Here and change it to During Work Hours as specified in Outlook, and then click OK. It's important to know what Outlook is doing behind the scenes when you set call forwarding, so let's take a look. I'll open Outlook, click File, Options, Calendar. As you can see, my workday goes from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Since I normally work from 7 to 4, I'll change the hours to fit my schedule. This means call forwarding will apply only during this time. Now that we've done all the setup work, turning on call forwarding is easy. I'll just click the Call Forwarding button and then select my home phone number, and I'm done. If I'm traveling, I can even specify that calls get forwarded to another number, like my hotel room or another contact. Lync gives me obvious feedback when call forwarding is turned on, so I don't forget to turn it off when I get back to the office. Like this. Now simultaneous ring. During my normal workday, I'm often moving between offices and buildings. I want to be able to get calls on my desk phone and my mobile phone so people can reach me wherever I am. I'll click the Call Forwarding button, point to simultaneous ring, and then specify my mobile number. Now, when a call comes to me, it rings both my desk phone and my mobile phone. With Microsoft Lync, I can check my audio device setup and call quality before making calls.
To check your call quality, record a short message.
Lync lets me make a test call, records my voice, and then plays it back for me so I know in advance what I'll sound like when talking to others on a call. With Lync, I can use a variety of audio devices, including IP phones and USB headsets and handsets. One of the keys to success when using Lync is to make sure your audio device is set up correctly. We've made it easy for you with a quick checklist. First, make sure your device is set up according to the instructions supplied with the device. Lync automatically detects your audio device, but if you have more than one connected, you can change devices by clicking the Devices button. Then make a test call to check your audio quality. Click the Device button, and then click Check Call Quality.
To check your call quality, record a short message after the tone, then wait to hear how you sound.
Don't insult the alligator until after you've crossed the river.
Here's what I've heard.
Don't insult the alligator until after you've crossed the river.
If you like what you heard, then you're all set. If not, check your audio device settings and try again. Goodbye.
If you're not happy with the sound quality, maybe it's too weak or too strong, here's what you can do. Click the Devices button and then click Audio Device Settings. From here, you can change your device and adjust the speaker or microphone volume. You can even adjust the volume of the ring for incoming calls. Check the primary audio device that Lync has detected. You can also click Learn More for detailed troubleshooting steps. Now that you've seen how you can check your audio device setup and call quality with Lync, you're ready to start making and receiving calls.
Hello?
Hi, Peter. I just want to ask you about next week's presentation.